Hi everybody, welcome to Learn Science with me. Today we are going to learn parathyroid gland. This gland is located backside of thyroid gland, which we have discussed in the previous lecture. The endocrine gland is located backside of thyroid gland. In order to understand its location, we have to go through the diagram. This is the hyoid bone, sarcoid cartilage, this is the trachea. So this one is the front side of our windpipe or trachea. This one is the back side of our windpipe. This is thyroid gland. And these tiny structures are parathyroid glands. Its structure is this parathyroid gland, tiny grain-like structure, which is 6 mm long, 3 mm wide, and 2 mm thick. Now the next question is, which type of hormone or which hormone is produced by this parathyroid gland? So this parathyroid gland produces only one hormone, which is parathyroid hormone. And this hormone is also called parath hormone, PTH. This parathyroid hormone or parath hormone is produced by the specialized cell of parathyroid gland, secreted by the specialized cells. The name is chief cells. So the PTH or parath hormone is secreted by the chief cells of parathyroid gland. Move on to the physiology of this parathyroid hormone. This hormone is peptide hormone made up of protein. This peptide hormone has 84 amino acids in their structure. The main function of these tiny structures of this parathyroid gland is to regulate the calcium level. The function of parathyroid gland is totally opposite the function of calcitonin. Calcitonin is basically a hormone of thyroid gland which decreases the concentration of calcium inside the blood. As I told you in the previous lecture of thyroid gland, the function of this parathyroid hormone is to increase the absorption of calcium. It decreases the reabsorption of phosphate. Now, what is the mechanism how this parathyroid hormone increases the level of calcium and decreases the phosphate level? So, for this, we discuss the mechanism. This is our thyroid gland, and here we have 4 tiny structures which are our parathyroid gland. The parathyroid gland contain chief cells which are responsible for the production of parathyroid hormone. These chief cells contain calcium sensing receptors. When there is a low level of calcium in the bloodstream, triggers these sensing receptors to activate and increases the calcium level within our body. How the synthesis of this PTH, parathyroid hormone, takes place? For this, we have to look at the pathway. The synthesis of PTH starts with a precursor called pre-pro-PTH. This is the precursor which later on convert into pro-PTH. This pro-PTH enters into the Golgi apparatus in order to modify, which are then packaged into our vesicles, which later on released into ECF, extracellular fluid. So this is the pathway through which this parathyroid hormone is produced. This extracellular fluid, thyroid hormone, enters into the bloodstream. From the bloodstream, this parathyroid hormone acts on its three main target cells, which are bone, kidney, and GIT. In our bones, this parathyroid hormone decreases osteoblast and increases osteoclast. Through increasing this osteoclast, the parathyroid hormone increases the breakdown of bone matrix, from which more calcium will be released. In the kidneys, this parathyroid hormone increases the reabsorption of calcium and decreases the reabsorption of phosphates. Within the proximal convoluted tubule of kidney, more amount of calcium will be reabsorbed and less amount of calcium will be excreted within the urine. Within our kidneys, this parathyroid hormone also play a very important role. It produces active form of vitamin D within the kidney, and this active form of vitamin D will basically helps in more absorption of calcium within the gastrointestinal tract. So this is all about the parathyroid gland and its hormone, which is parathormone. I hope you understand this lecture. Kindly subscribe to my channel, Learn Science with me.